So, things have been going well. I discussed the map submission system design plan with Itzanim, and he had all sorts of proposals, which ended up being quite close to the design plan. He said to use Golang and copy the public API or the data service, which are both examples. I can. Damn, my hair looks nice. Showers really make a difference. Copy his example. So probably. Oh, there's discordings. I'm gonna do some map stuff for those who want it. Hello. Jammer. I'm dancing Discord messages. Man, I love the song. Oh yeah, didn't have stuff on my screen. Well, I guess I was doing stuff on the screen, which I don't have on stream. Yeah. Okay, so what's the plan for today? Mm. Okay, so I need to Google how to make a Golang project, how to make a CRUD app in Golang. God, I love CRUD. CRUD apps. And use the other as a reference. CRUD. Time for some CRUD. Oh my god. Okay, let's do how to start a new Golang project. No way. Okay, well, let's do a bug. So I know there's go get, go build. Can you do like go new? CD. No way. They're like, oh, use home directing. Interesting. No, oh. Oh, is this? Oh, it's on. I see. Hold on. We can do that. I do believe. There we go. Hmm. Go mod init. All right. Let's see what kind of stupid steps I can skip. Let's do test first. Uh, please. Go and not Rust. Well, its name was very. He called it malding about using Rust for a CRUD app. It's like overcomplicating things. And after what happened on the RPC, where the entire game blew up, maybe I should listen to him. Why am I like? Just one little mistake. It wasn't a simple mistake. It was actually a design flaw with the way I had written it on the Rust RPC. Which, like, that's the whole point of Rust, is to like prevent simple, easy mistakes, that like stupid mistakes. But it still took down the entire thing because like I was writing it from scratch and I didn't know some stuff. Okay, does this do something if I go? Can I do run? Okay, go mod init module path. Okay, so you're supposed to like say the repository. Um, Whoa, I just ran Golang. Whoa. Notice that it prints a clever message. This code is therefore clever. Okay. Okay, so then what does this look like? You got Modular. Main. Also main? Two comets. Okay. I don't get it. Let's look at the other one. So this is the internal API. Gorm. Main. 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 This is a boilerplate. Make file. Goose is cooked. Go OS. I am going to fail so spectacularly, but its name said he would help me, so. So this is like cargo toml, and then lock, cargo lock, as far as I can tell. Except I understand it less. But it looks like the same plan, same idea. So what does that mean? Why? I don't get it. A package is a group of functions. Didn't it say like in the same directory? Made up of all. Oh, okay. Okay, wait. All the files that say so that means that all the files that say package main are part of the main package, and they can call each other. It's like, hi, I'm also part of the main. I'm gonna call your functions. So like if you try to, okay, what if I just like open it, you know? Uh, uh, mm, uh, uh, we'll do the p. Yeah. The p. V2. True, I guess. No way. Why is there like... Oh, it's like telling the whole thing. Oh, cool. Um, such a great song intro. I wonder if I should separate the projects by language. In my folder, like... No, I think that maybe it should just be like strafe client is moved. It was kind of goofy to put it. I don't know, like strafesnet. Strafesnet is like, that's us. Strafe client and go, no, 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 no. I'm just thinking about how like whenever I open up this folder, it like it pops up with the Lua error and then it starts compiling Rust code, and that's annoying. I made this folder so that I could access the game code and the strafe client code quickly. So like I open a new terminal, and I go like cd st and I'm in. That was the point. Um, um, so I made this is like prototype types. I wasn't actually intending to make it in Rust because its name said don't do that. Basically, he doesn't want the server to go down again, I assume, because that was annoying and understandable. So he's more willing to like debug it and help solve problems if it's written in Golang. I'm not terribly worried about that. I'm confident that I could fix problems if I wrote it in Rust. Mainly, I'm interested in trying Golang and learning for myself whether it's different than Rust and better for some things. Does his server run bcachefs? Nobody runs bcachefs. Oh, we're listening to Mike Francis. So I gotta like get rid of this. Name it something. What if I just don't do that? So I could, I think I could, I don't know, like including it in the source code is like, it's just stuff. I remember something else its name said where like when I was writing the game RPC, rewriting it in Rust, I had had an idea of like, okay, it's the code is not based on the other code, so it's not based. No, so it's like a it's not even the same branch. Like it's a totally different origin of like Git. So if I just like force push from here to there, then I think that makes the most sense. And he said he would get fired if he did that at work. you gotta just like make it a pull request. Let's see. Let's see if I can show that. Merge. I love murder. Where is it? Game RPC. There it is. So there's Rust, Rust 2, and Rust 3. So we scroll down here, we'll see one of them is like based on nothing. It's not based. There it is. So I was like, oh yeah, this is like, it's just a whole new project. It's not related to the other code. So it should be its own like initial comment. And I like did that. But, yeah. This was kind of a disaster. Let's see how many fixes I had to make. Excuse me. Okay, so this is the initial thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it was broken 10 times. XD. So this is July 19th here, where I was like panic pushing these changes. And then August 24th, once I actually fixed it and I like figured out the actual problem and was confident enough to try it again. There's still a problem. It's related to when a server starts with 0 players in it, it breaks, but I'm not sure if it breaks at the RPC level here or if it breaks when it makes the request somehow. I don't actually know because it's hard to debug. This was really fun. I really liked making this. I was pleased when it used 100 times less memory than the Python version. That was that was a good moment. Oh, it's the guy who figured out the bug I just mentioned. Aiden, my guess is the database side, because there would be sometimes be a different SQL error that would return immediately. Yeah, because like, why would the Rust code treat 0 and 1 differently? It's Rust. It doesn't do that. But it might. I mean, I'm using libraries, so. You're probably right. So probably the Python code was doing some sort of implicit empty list insertion or something, or either that or empty list deletion, where it would not send an empty list, whereas Rust always includes the list because otherwise the type changes or something like that. And then the database, when you pass a list, it expects it to not be empty or something like that. Actually, what if I just look at this right now? Okay, so what if I do like this? What if I go like, yo, the player list is empty. Actually, are you even allowed to do that? I guess not. Servers. Vec. So this, you can't not include this. If it's an empty list, it's an empty list. It's not, there is no list. Which I expect that's why the Python worked, is because Python was like, oh, this list is empty. I'm just going to remove it. There is no list. Empty list is the same as there is no list. But that's not the same in Rust. This happened quite a bit after. I don't think so. I think it was happening immediately. Roblox changed something recently for loading. Oh, you're talking about that. Combined with Rust being faster is why it broke. No, I think that the bug that you found, that you suspect, I guess, where the there's no players, that I think that was happening all the time. Option vec, exactly. But I can't do that because this is my type. But sending the thing here, server create, in this type, oh my god, it's a vec. So you can't say there is no vec. So probably the best way to test would be to make a new method that's like test create, and it just has your test code in it, and you just call that from the Lua with like a function, test create server, and then you do stuff in Rust and then return your findings to Lua and then print it on the Lua side. Because like the console for this is inaccessible. And like just like throw no errors and like convert all errors into strings and then return it type stuff. Excuse me. So like it would look like this, except create with like more code, like testing it and stuff. I can't launch Roblox. Does my virtual machine work yet? I wonder if I... Well, no. It probably doesn't work still. Because, like, it didn't work before. It's not gonna work, but that's okay. Did you ever try Cache OS? No. I don't have a habit of installing operating systems, which is surprising considering I'm a Linux user. Usually it's up by now. Why is my CPU jamming? Who did this? Ah, Z is bugged. Also, QEMU is bugged. Neat. Patches to make it faster. I'll just stick with Arch, it works great. Except when it breaks, but I fix it. Why is Rust Analyzer running? Oh. Okay, we can... So I can use this for like a scratch board if I need to, like the full box. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so what am I going to go? What goes on? What happens? Okay, so there's two databases, It's so basically I'm gonna remake this almost exactly. Like it'll be like the data service, but for maps, and the public API, but for idiots, but for me. And not public. Just a normal API. Oh, someone stopped hammering the CPU? Apparently Rust Analyzer stopped. Shocking. I would like to know why. Okay, let's see. Okay, what was that file called? Let's see. What happens if I kill it, die, and then I go like, give me that thingy. I'll like break it, make it give me the error. All right with me. Okay, I broke it. Click the button. Error message. And then I can do like copy it. And then go. 2017. This is like a recent. Maybe there is issues. When? 3 years ago. Oh. Is there like, okay. 8 hours ago. Let's go. This is my issue, I believe. Jeez, it does not help. Expected side effect of a recent update that removed the 2M images. Setups may need to adapt it. When moving from 2M to 4M images, you also need to adjust the vers file. What the hell is that? Where is it? And how do I do that? So, is that secure boot related? Why is there a bug in the room? Oh, vers generator. Okay, so this is like a goofy secure boot issue. So what does the goober say here? NVRAM, you think is there? I can't believe they've done this. Oh. I see. What if I delete it? Because, like, I don't remember setting this up. Okay, who did this? Quat KVM. Okay, so I could just like rename it to like .old or something. Let's try that. Move to .old. And then I go here and okay, so probably Windows will be like, secure boot, you're not secure, and it'll like go like that, but that's fine. We can fix that when we come to that. Okay, so probably same error. Yeah, okay, so let's try fixing it again. Oh, okay, so I think it's 4M. Any master var store. Did I really do that? Really? I set up secure boot? I don't remember doing that. Okay, so let's look at what it say. What did he say? Vers generator. Theirs. Okay. Wait. Template. What, like this? Cool. Is this number bigger on yours? Bigger number better, right? Okay, let's just try this. Ooh, ooh, he's trying to do a thing. Nine point oh. I was first. Is that like the cute emu version? Let's see. Probably. Nah. Oh, it's doing it. The CPU graph is different. Oh, Windows fixed. We're so back, and it's broken. Whole computer died. Nope, we're back. Okay. The question is, does Looking Glass still die constantly? Let's see. If I just go full screen, it should die like within minutes. Let's do the grow blocks. No way. Oh, I forgot about that. I have to do this survey. Oh my god, bro. I'm about to go bloxing. God, I want to use tiling window manager keybinds so bad. My game! I'm allowed in! B-Hop gets in it. Oh my god, I love the images. It's so cool. Should play this one. Oh. Can you make that? Oh wow. And where do you go after that though? Oh, what? Can you jump on that? You can't. Can't make that. Really? That's the end? Okay. Oh my god, dude. Too fast. What's the FPS? 240 capped. Can you set it to higher? Or is that the limit? Lame. Did Roblox fix the display scaling? No, Blockstrap fixes the display scaling. That's right. Ew, what was that? Weird route. I just remember that closing things makes the FPS better. My GUI code is not great. I don't know, I can't see a better route. There's a lot of distance waste going on. I'm not really excited to make like a Golang application. Why is that so much faster? You can't hit the thing! Okay, I just need to gain more speed then. Alright, let's min-max. Okay. Ah! Can I just go straight? We'll try. Oh, easy, actually. Okay, that's it. Why didn't I try that before? I guess I wasn't going fast enough. Man, I want to hit that. I wonder if I can, let's see. Oh, easy, actually. Should have done that sooner. Oh! Pretty good. Oh, it's the bonus. The classic map. Can't make that. What is that like? feel. Yeah, the VM is kind of showing through here. It's like it. Oh my god, that Googling the error really helps there, and also like looking at the package updates. Oh, look, another millisecond, 2 even. Ah, that was bad. Paint. I forgot about paint. God, there's so many quality of life features that Tommy and Aiden have added. They've been such good maintainers of the game code. Come on, good one. Holy moly. It feels so much better to like play a game that has a leaderboard. Like Strafe Client is cool and all, but there's no leaderboard, man. There's no reason to like grind. Doesn't save. All right. Oh, can I just do that? Maybe. Oh, I had to, right. Okay, I gotta go harder on that. Okay. Okay, what happens now? Ooh, that happens. Why is it like angled back? That's hard. That's a very precise jump. Oh my god! Oh. Yeah, you have to like cut. It's a little bit different to play than like just going full out. But it's also very different than like wasting distance fully. It's like halfway wasting distance. So it interrupts the flow just a bit. Yeah, not that much. Not that much. Not that little. Just right. Not enough strafe. Seems like it doesn't really matter that much. Like I'm taking the same number of jumps anyways. No. I remember when like capturing Looking Glass would like absolutely lag the bejesus out of the computer, and now it's just like 1 millisecond, no problem. I could run my stream at 1,000 frames per second. It couldn't encode it that fast though, unless I got a 4070 Ti. Would it be able to? I'm gonna calculate. Oh, I'm in the virtual machine. Math. So it'd be what? 375 times 3840 times 2160, then divided by 1440p. 560 times 1440, and we get a number. Ooh. 843 FPS. So even the 4070 Ti would not be able to do 1,000 frames per second encoding. Maybe 5090 or 5070 Ti. What's that AMD PCI card that is just for encoding? Oh, that's hard. Faster. No! RDNA 4. But will it be good at encoding video? It's supposed to come out like in a month or two, right? Like all the GPUs are supposed to like be just about to come out. No. Can encode AV1 with VAPI? Well, yeah, 6,000. Vulkan Video AV1 just came out, which is pretty neat. There's also a project on Mesa to do VAPI through Vulkan Video, which I think is amazing. Like, I thought that was like a great idea. Because like everything is using VAPI now. So like if you support that, but then try to focus on Vulkan Video, that's cool. No. I don't know if that's gonna save me any time. Like if I just go like this. Oh, that's totally slow. Melt 7. I don't know what that is. Bruh. That started so hard. Alright, well, I got a time. I think it's decent. 86. You should be able to click on this and it would like jump to it. But the problem with that is official VC support. Global VC instead of proximity. What do you mean official? A push to talk key. Can you even do that on Roblox? I don't know anything about the VC. Aiden was the one who wrote it. I was against it at first, but it doesn't really affect me if it's opt-in, so. Like, I don't want to hear 12-year-olds screaming in my ears while I'm beehapping. Proximity chat feels a bit off. Yeah. Yeah. No proximity chat in Gary's mod. I remember that. Um, optional. Probably. I don't know. Really, I should have menus instead of like commands for everything. Well, I am very much off. Whoa, what is going on there? Oh, Looking Glass hasn't crashed. Oh, that's cool. What is that? Can you see the mouse like disappearing? You cannot. It's like disappearing. Oh, that's the text. Oh. Yeah, it looks 60 FPS. I guess that's because it is. Run as an administrator. All right. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Just kidding. Is it gonna update or something? Oh, there we go. Okay, so uh let's see. I should write that down. Um I haven't really used it though. Maybe option. I don't know. Hmm. Looking Glass RC recently updated. They need to release that so bad. The package? B7. Let's see. I'm glad this got fixed. That was whack. That one. Looking Glass. Yes. Updated 11:02. Where did it say that? What day is it? 21. So it's updated at the start of the month. Am I on Git? I think I'm on Git. Oh, I'm not. Am I? I have no idea. I am on Git. RC1. Wait, is that real? Oh, are they doing release? Is it happening? Fixed crashes, Wayland explicit thing. Last month. March 8th. Okay. This is insane. I can't believe it's so fast. Super cool. Lower latency, higher frame rates, lower memory bandwidth pressure, better performance, and enormously lower CPU usage. Better, 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 and did I mention better and faster and lighter than NVFBC, which was what I was using before. Default. Indirect display, that's for like being able to set the display refresh rate. That'd be awesome. Sheesh. As far as I know, the developer was having like life problems, and that's why the project hasn't really progressed. HDR. Hehe. Everything gets better. Everything just gets better. Can I updo? I guess I would need an account. Vert. I'm telling my friend about the fix that my friend request. Fix my friend request. Okay, cool, nice, good, great. Okay, so now when I need Windows, it's there instead of Bork. I don't want to write Golang. I don't want to do it. Golang. It's not Rust. Boring. Okay, so I was hung up on this folder being crammed with stuff. And I was also hung up on the naming of this. Where should that go? What's happening? I'm going to write a CRUD app in Golang. For sure, for real. For real. I'm worried about my attention span when it comes to Golang versus Rust. Its name is very practical for this. He's like, Rust is way too complicated for what this is doing. For simple CRUD apps, just use Golang. It's so much simpler. So, listen to the man. Try it out for myself. I wrote the Discord bot in Golang without ever really learning the language. Propaganda. Surely my chat isn't Rust biased. Surely not. So I'm hung up on the folder names here. No bias. So I want the Golang thing to be named map service, but right now there's a Rust data structures prototypes with the name map service. And I want that as reference. And I was like considering whether to include that in the source code, but that would be dumb. So I think I should just rename it right now. Just like move map service Rust prototype maps service yar. And then I do make dir maps service Golang. And then we go maps service. This is kind of hard to to find because like there's maps, map fix, or map tool are hard to type in. I have to write 5 characters. Go is garbage collected, right? So that means it's garbage, right? Write the CRUD app in Lua. That was one of the options we were considering for the game RPC, actually. Okay, so we do like... Go mod init scrape net. Self. Okay, what does it look like, the data? Who did this? How did this happen? Where is it? What am I doing? I can't believe you've done this. Never mind. I'll do it right. Right, it's private. Oh my god, bro. It's gonna make me F. Give me that code. See how easy it is to type in data? Go programmers and Rust programmers are always in battle with each other. Redditors, yeah, people in the industry don't care. I read an article yesterday where like the title was like Go and Rust versus everything else, and the guy was like they go together very well, and like as in they have their own uses, and it covers basically everything if you can use both, I think was the point. Okay, so it's like, it's gonna, okay, how, who, where. What I don't understand is like main. Okay, main is there. Main, is there main here? So this means, hey, we're all part of the same package. We can call each other's functions, right? So then here it can be like dot RPC. So I can just call this function here, right? How does it work? Logger, cron. Oh, there it is. I was right. Okay. Okay. I'm assuming I can change this whenever I want. So I'm just gonna do like something. He said confidently. So where am I? Okay, we're gonna put this right here. We're gonna put this right here. This is like my scratch pad. This is like something I don't need right now. But if I close it, it'll crash everything. Hooray, Z editor, explicit sync, buggy. I'll do that. So I need two things. Three, I guess. So Postgres, which I have running on my server now. I need a little gRPC thingamabob to like not raw dog the Postgres, and then the API, just like this. But the game is just using the right. Okay, so that's how the game works. It's the game RPC connects to the data service. The data service connects to Postgres, and it's like gRPC between these guys and like whatever the hell doesn't matter between this guy. It's SQL. So just do that. Also, the public API can include things to connect to the map service. If things go well. So we can have this like actual like microservices web. No way. Public API. Why is there so many folders? What the tarnation is the gorm underscore could not import. Oh, private XD. Is that private? Probably. Yep. I guess that's the problem. But I don't need to build this, so. Okay. Shh. Okay. So I'm going to be doing like, hey, I'm the user. Interesting. Password, really? Gorm. Let's read about Gorm. No way. What is ORM? Object relational map. So that's like Postgres. It is a relational database. Okay, so this is kind of what is doing the times have a user and a bot. That's the object relational mapping. Every feature comes with tests. Got to use all my skills. So I'm going to have right. So these are all the same thing. They're like the data service gRPC. Go module. So I'm going to have one of these. Wait, is this? Okay, so that exists it's the server side, but it can do both, I assume. Yeah, the same with the Rust and Python, I assume. So this one is used for the data service. Data, right? Gorm. Yeah. Um, is there like uh, an automated setup of the database stuff, or do you usually just do that manually once directly in Postgres, and then like it exists after that? Where would that be? Model. Does Gorm have that? Is database migration failed? Auto migrate. Really? Database. Gorm. Get in. Why is it doing it twice? Oh, logging. Okay. Go cache. Oh, that's it. Damn. Package Gorm. Get. What's that? Oh, is that the member functions? So this is like impl data store in Rust terms. Or no, that would be. This is like a header. Is it trait? I don't know. Neither. This looks header like. Values. Oh, that's the name. Okay, so this is like the shape. Array. Uh, 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 no, I wanted to replace it. I wanted to close this one. Okay, so do I have anything that needs to be like somewhere else and like relational here? Why is it doing like that? What does that mean? Triangle, blue triangle. Is that like this? Is that just like the linting? Okay. So I mean that could be relational, but it's like inside an enum. It can just be an ID. So what's up with that? So this only comes into, it doesn't need the data. It only comes into play. What happens? So it goes like, I'm a map fix, and then the map council clicks on accept map fix, and that goes over to staging, and it just changes the asset version. It uploads an asset to Roblox. So it doesn't actually need to read any of this data. Well, no, it does. It needs to read the asset ID from here. I don't think relational is very important for that. I don't think I'm gonna like try to make it complicated. I need both. I need two things. Oh no, I'm being distracted. No, Factorio. JSON. So there's a bunch of files. I don't really understand how it all comes together. Scripts. There's like layers. Everything is really small and simple looking. But there's so many. So how many different thingamabobs do I have? I have like staging map and map test map, right? Because like I have this map that's like a list of all maps that may or may not be in the game yet. And then I have the map test maps that are like some that are like a submission or a map fix from outside of the staging area. So the staging area is like newer versions of maps before they go into the main game. So like you're testing a map fix or you're testing a new map. And then the map test is like, I want to, I'm not in the map council and I want this map fix to get in, or I'm not in the map council and I want to submit this map to get into the game. That might also be the standard way for the map council to do it as well, though. I think it'll be good to like. It'll be nice to have mutual exclusion of map fixes. So like, if someone already has a map fix submission, it can be like, oh, actually, someone already has a map fix for this, and like, you're not allowed to have two at the same time, so that people aren't like, so that you know that there's another map fix in the pipeline already. I think that'll be helpful for not duplicating effort, and two, for not making like map fix regressions and like not including both fixes. But we can worry about that later. Oh, da 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 da. Right. So right now I'm trying to like imagine what code I need to copy. And like which dependencies I guess I need to copy as well. And like how do I even I'll figure it out. I just need time. All right, distraction. Wait. It should just look exactly like this. Like basically maps. Okay, what? Okay, so this is like the core thing, and then these other two things are like the satellite code. So let's look at this. Internal data store. That's like the self. No, that's this guy. I like this. So this is generated code from this. So this is like data service protobufs. So I have like maps service protobufs. I wonder if I'll be using. I could like ask the actual database about usernames. So the thing that I'm making is going to be a lot simpler. There's not all of this data. There's not all these categories. It's just like two categories. There's map test maps and staging maps. What the hell? Something got in my lungs when I did that. I think there was a piece of dust or something. That was unfortunate. Man, that was unlucky. All right. So I think the play here is to just make all the repositories I think I need, copy a bunch of code, and then hands off. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna do that. So new repository, map service protobufs. This is private stuff. Yeah. Actually, the protobufs are public, so. And then they like obviously protobufs for the map service. Okay. And then more. New repository, maps service. Internal map submission system written in Golang. Much code copied from data service. And that is private. Let's not talk about it. Okay. So I think I need this. Nice. Create. Good. Maps service gRPC go. Generated code for using gRPC with the maps service. Much like the Go gRPC for data service. Huge. Okay. Huge. Okay, so then how does it work? Okay, so the other architecture has the game RPC, which happens to be written in Rust, but I'll probably try to do that in Golang for this if I need it. How does it work? So like, you have a website? I don't know how to make a website. I was just gonna try to use like a Rust thing to do that because I thought it would be fun. But now I don't know. I don't want to have JavaScript. I don't even want to touch it. Its name needs to start rusting up. Well, he says he uses Rust at work. He was ranting about how Rust isn't the solution for everything. How you should use Rust for uses where it's good and use other things for other things are better. And he hates the whole like use Rust for everything people. But Rust though, exactly. I understand. But it's more fun. What if I always had fun writing code instead of only when I'm writing Rust? That doesn't make sense. What if I always used Rust, so I always had fun writing code? Write everything in Lua. Impossible. Bing bong. Closest you can have is TypeScript. Yeah, I think you can get a bit closer than that. Okay. So I made a bunch of empty repositories, which can be deleted at any time. Everything's fine. Great. I did it. Awesome. What else do I need? I'm thinking about how, like, it goes like, at my three fingers, you have Postgres, data service, game RPC. And then in the new stuff, I have maps. Well, okay. Postgres, map service, maps RPC? Do I need to do that? So I guess that does make sense. That would be like the thing that's doing all the things. Maybe I do make that in Rust. But okay, well, it needs to like interface with my code that already exists. Which is in Rust. So then I need a gRPC thing for this as well. Oh. Because like that's where the business logic is. Like everything else is just like a database. So its name said don't write the database in Rust. So I'm gonna do that. But I already have code for like checking the map files. So like when I receive the map file, I want to process it in Rust because I already have code for that. And it already does all the things. But it's a command line tool for local files, and I'll be changing it into something else. What else is there? There's like creating the new maps. So would I call the game RPC or would I just do it with Rust RPC? I guess I could do either. It doesn't really matter. So its name said you will not be interfacing with the game database directly. I assume that means use the gRPC interface and not the frickin' Postgres. That makes perfect sense to me. I never intended to do that. That was always my plan. So maps RPC. Does that make sense? Yes, because it's doing a procedure. So when you press accept, you're like, I accept this map fix submission. Then it goes from the map test database to the staging. And what does that involve? Why don't I write it down? Actually, that can be this thing. The Rust prototype map service can like that can be the RPC. Okay, it's not gonna work. Okay, goodbye. Move. We're gonna move it to maps RPC. Okay, so it's kind of coming together. We're missing one. All right, I'm gonna just close this. Oh, it worked. I see. We don't do like this. Stop building stuff, please. Yeah, there's too much stuff here. Okay, so this thing needs to be renamed. Okay, I'm going to make it. Maps service gRPC rest. Wow. Maps RPC. The maps submission system business logic uses to add maps to the game. Maps service gRPC rest to manage the maps service. To what is it doing? It's like okay. How many new repositories did I make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. That's what I think I need. That's my outline of my work for like the rest of the year. Maybe. Maybe it'll take that long. Maybe it'll take longer. Maybe it won't take that long. He said, make the repos, then copy the code. Now comes the copy the code part. Okay, so data is good. Good data. Oh, excuse me. I'm gonna. Honestly, this is a bit too much stuff. I'm gonna make a new folder. Let's do make directory maps service, I guess, and then move strafesnet maps service. Actually, that's both of those, isn't it? To maps service. Anyone else? No. Need this as reference. And then I think I have this thing as well. There's so much stuff in here. I want like a 4 terabyte hard drive, so I can just leave the Rust build stuff without having to clean it all the time. Hard drive as in SSD. My SSD is 500 gigabytes. So tiny. We're going to do that as well. I'll make that later. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. I might need it. Maybe. Oh. Should I just make it now? I can always delete it, so. Oh, is that what this is? Yeah, okay. Wait, was it? Do it. Okay. Sure. Okay. copy the code. Control C, Control V. Is this gone? It's gone. Close it. Oh my god, bro. Okay. Not real. Not real. Oh, come on. Give me the path. Bro, can I not edit the freaking path? Bro. So bad. Is this GTK? Can I use a different one? File select. Control C, Control V. If I don't do it now, I won't do it later. And I'll be stuck again. I just have to copy the code. The code. Copy it. I have... What happened to the... Oh, it doesn't exist yet. Okay. There is code. Copy the code. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just all the code and then delete what you don't need. Okay. Map service. Okay. Copy it. Do it. Do it. Do it now. There's nothing in here, right? Like nothing. Okay. So copy recursively data service anything into maps service. Wow, that was so hard. I guess I need to do git init. For the others, I can clone them. Clone. Whoa. Clone about 500 different repositories. Yes, but did you do it? Oh, I did it within here. Oops. Okay, keep going. Good. Oh, it's the same names. That's why I didn't know. Okay. No, actually, I should have known. Okay. Shut up. Do it. Clone more. What is that? It doesn't matter. Clone it. Okay, done. Done. There's a new one. Done. This I need to connect. Do it, connect. Oh, those are gonna be generated. But I'll need them? Maybe I can do without. Oops. How do you undo? Oops, whatever. It's like one tap away. What did I just get? gRPC map service. gRPC go. Bye bye. That's generated code, and I can just like copy the thing that does that thing and make it not. It's fine, I think. Okay. Where am I? Who is this? Who am I? We can do remotes, add remote, origin, and go away. That one. Yes. And then put her there. And then should I add it to my thing? Why not? What was I doing? Right, I'm trying to open it. Okay, I'm gonna close lots of things because I'm not working on them. Okay, real. Real? So anything that's not like named maps is something else. It's like reference code. 41 files. No way. Okay, so just start deleting. Delete. I can just use the other one, right? Okay, so then data store is a thing. Oh wait, no, that's the whole guy. Okay, so that's gonna be different. And I don't know what this is. We'll figure that out. Go away. 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 Why? Array. Do we need that? What is this guy? Oh. I feel like we don't need those. So I probably need to like not have it like this. What's the latest version of Gorm? Go, go. I don't care. Can I just like go to the actual? Where's the releases? Whatever, surely. 2.0. Rewrite from scratch. Omega lol. They had releases all along? Why wasn't it there? Like, wait. Oh, is it not out yet? No. Wait. That's ancient. What's the version? I think this is even more ancient. V1.21. Oh, that's the exact version. Bruh. Damn. Is this updated recently? Press any key. I'm gonna press the any key. Okay. I copied the code. Next. Go next. Okay. For real, for real. For real, for real. For real. For real, for real. Okay, so we go like copy recursively protobufs into maps service protobufs. Anything that's in there, I want it to be in there. I'll delete it right after. Let's also do it with the images. Image. Okay. No way. So we got the protobufs and we got the images. So don't need this. Don't need this. Don't need this. No. Don't need Python. Yep. Should I have delete some files as like a second comment? Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It literally doesn't matter. It literally does not matter. The point of doing this is to have something in the repository so it's not empty. I'm not making everything from scratch. Then I can like fix it later, but like there's something to look at and I'm not going like, okay, we do this. We do it. Images. Did I just do the images? No, I did the Robux. Python. Interesting. Okay, didn't ask. Okay. So I have there's files in the folders. None of them are empty, and they are all wrong. It's easier to fix something that's wrong than to make something from scratch. Okay, that was the what the hell am I doing part. Hopefully I can move on to the fix it part. How long have I been streaming? Only 2 hours. It feels so long now. Going so long without playing Factorio. I didn't play it at all yesterday. Oh my god, I like XFCE terminal so much better. It's interesting because whenever I make a new tab, I expect it to not be in the same folder. But on Kitty, I did expect it to be in the same folder. So whatever it does, I expect the opposite. Okay, very poggers. Solve that problem. Oh my god. Slap my mommy. This is funny. This is like default behavior. Your game doesn't have the RNG fix, actually. Oh, how new is this? Yesterday. Oh, okay. Cool. This might actually happen, and I might be able to go back to lossless audio. I have to disable lossless audio on OBS because of a bug. So is the bug fixed? Oh, is that RC2? Where's the tag? How do you see tagged? Okay, so it is that one. Do you use Opus for recording? No, I use FLAC. I convert it to Opus after I stream. I use Opus for archival. Cool. One single character change. Well, I guess one character added, 2 characters removed. What is that? A distance of 3 characters. I'm experiencing the bug that this fixes. But it's in this, and it's not listed in the thingamabob. This guy. Okay. Okay, it will happen. I can just not worry about it for a few weeks. Okay, I'm really glad I got that code copied, because like I know that I just stare at the screen a lot and like bike shed in my head. I am developer. I develop. There's a bird. Go back on the table. I want to catch you. Damn it. I guess I could have tried anyways. Oh, the stream. I forgot to change that stream title. Man, I like stream for a bit and I'm like, oh, I want to stop streaming. I want to stop streaming. I want to stop streaming. And then I just sit for the rest of the day, do nothing. But I am trying to like ease back in. I did work today. Why stop though? Okay, what if I like smash rest on my keyboard and be like, hey, I'm running rest. I love rest. To try to keep working. Okay, that's a good idea. I should go look at the game RPC. I'm gonna go like make a new goober and see if it goobs on me instead of me goobing on the goober. So I'm gonna do like test create. No way. And then we go like this. And I think that just make it empty. Are any of these empty? This guy's empty. No response, and then I guess it'll always throw an error. So I'll be like create whoa. All I need to do is like just make up some server ID and send an empty player list. That's it. How do I use this? Why am I doing like that? Bro. Why am I doing like this? Like, why not just make it like that? I guess I had it twice or something. Oh my god. That's true. That's true. That's true. That's true. Um. So we can go like, yes. 0 for everybody. Everybody gets a 0. Except for you. You get a ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Is that a freaking string? God damn it. And then this is, how do you use Rust? All right. So unused. Baba Bowie. And then this is actually real. So we can go like I swear to God I typed no. Is it a singleton? I don't know. Whatever. Do it. And then so I should be able to push this. It'll build, and then I can push to the Lua code, and this is staging. I'm not gonna break the game. Cool. Okay. Right. I actually can't push to master. I forgot. Okay. So now I go to the game code, Luar, and test it. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Ew. Sure, that'll be the reference code. Staging. Do it. Okay. And then that's just great. Isn't that great? Where will this be? This will be misc commands, I guess. Should be something like this. It'll be test create. The big admin, it's like servers test create, and then nothing. And then I just go like neat. Okay. So now that I have the window virtual machine, I can run Roblox and test the game. Hooray! Hooray! Stupid Roblox blocking my operating system. Oh my god. Thought it was the bug for a second. I was like, no. You said it was updated. Do I need to do... Oh, no, there it is. Easy. Right. And I looked at it. Right, I could actually make it even better using the DKMS module. Insane. What's that? Portal. They have a portal? You can like pipewire capture? That's insane. Alright, what's going on over here? We got the Windows is back. Is booted. Okay, so now I go to Firefox update. Staging. Right? I do believe. Should say it's updated today. Shut up. That's today, right? Nice. Love it when Roblox does that. Classic. Okay. Server. So if I do test create, it should go like error nil. Really? Is that a bug? I have no idea what happened. Okay, let's go to Rust and be like, hey, bud, what's up, buddy? And then so I can just have any response I want. Can I just return a goddamn string and be like, hey, yep. I, 'cause, 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 ' match. Whatever. Oh. Neat. Okay, so let's see if something different happens. Okay, so this one. Is running. Rust. This is what happens. Rust. No incremental builds. Takes 3 minutes. Exponentially fast. Wrong. It's just fast. That is not correct. Could just be a bug, and like if this finishes and it like just doesn't return anything. Oh, it's done. Is it possible that it's a library bug on Rust? I don't know. Let's try it. So look at this server list. Wait. Oh, I'm stupid. Oh my god, I never did the thing that you need to do to make it work. I forgot. Okay. It's fine though. It's fine. Think. It's the thing. It's the thing. It's the thing. Game. Staging. Yeah. Spoof with 2 O's. Okay, that takes approximate 3 seconds. No. Yeah. Wait, why is there people on it? Okay, it was not connected to the database. That's why nothing happened. Okay, open the server. I guess it'll print it to the freaking thing, but test create. Dang, man, there was an error. Oh wow. Cool. Okay, so we're getting an error. That's very nice. That means that we can debug it. Instead of like there's just nothing and you can't do anything. Okay, so uh all right, try again. And I can read the whole error. I'm trying to see the whole error, son. Does it really take that long to change the brick? Missing field date. Is this like the problem that we're trying to fix? Okay, we do not care. Test create. Okay, what if I say, actually, Quaternions is in this server. I'm just gonna make a new one. Okay, player list is a vector with something in it. I-64. I am in this server, believe it or not. Yes, that's kind of crazy. That's really insane. Okay, do it. Okay. No way. Okay. Cool. And then we go to the game, and we go like, oh, let's do it again. With player. Cool. I hope I didn't write the code wrong. Wow. Okay. So then we can close this, open a new one, wait for it to compile, and die instantly. Die. Oh my my god. So it's just deleting all of the Docker stuff, I guess. What does it say at the bottom? System prune. Okay, well, it's done. We got the bug again this time. That's okay. Test create with player. Am I stupid? What is this? This uses get random. RNG. Surely. Surely this is correct, right? Is this freaking never used? Okay, like why did that not appear? Okay. toString. It's the same. Huh? Foreign key constraint. Let's take a look, take a closer look. Place ID start time. I don't know, frickin'. I don't know, man. Like, what is it complaining about? It's a random UUID, so it's not the foreign key constraint for that. FK servers map. Does that mean map as in the map that that server is on? Okay, I'm just doing one. Hooray. Do it again. Yep. That's not correct. Okay, so it's still doing the same thing. Does it show up on the server list anyways? No, because the place ID is wrong. Its name says, have you tried writing the RPC in Python to like my complaint about the build times being slow? Oh, va 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 va. Write it in JavaScript. Place ID. What's the place ID? Die. Give me that. All right. Java. You're using a shoe to beat the nail. Does it have to be a real map? I think it actually has to be a real map. Okay, I think that's the problem, is it has to be a real map. And probably also has to be a real user. Surely. Whatever, I'll just... Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna find a real map ID. Where does it load the default map? Maps, lists. Surely. Give me... No way. Just give me the default maps, man. Default map. Oh, the map loaded. Isn't that fancy? What map do this be? I'm just gonna write it. Alright, let's try that. Okay. Did I just do that wrong? I did. I should have split that up. I'm a dummy. Okay, so this is map. Okay, 3 minutes. I'm gonna go look in the fridge. What's in my fridge? Well, I have cheese and tortellini. That's what's in my fridge. Oh, I've got to go to Costco and get some heatable dinners. Okay, so it made this entry 54 years ago. So that's how I used weird numbers so that we could tell that it's a test. So let's do test create just without a player. Hey buddy, it's all okay. There's no error. What if I try it again? There's no errors. Hmm. Huh. Well, nothing seems to be wrong. No errors to be found here. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Hmm. Hmm. Got so much time. Well. Uh, I don't got any more effort. I did all the things I could think about. I'm really glad that I made all the repositories and copied the files. It's Thursday, right? Full work week from the 4 day times. I think I'll do another day because I'm doing like really short days. Friday. Honestly, I want to work through the weekend. Man, imagine if I could like stop the stream, start the stream again, and it's like a brand new day. I've got so many like mental blocks. Working every day helps get so much done because I can start something new every day. I'm gonna make tortellini. I'm gonna stop streaming, make some tortellini, have the rest of my day. And then stream again tomorrow. And hopefully I can like try to make the Golang code do code things, build and run and all this stuff. I'll probably need to figure out how to like authenticate, but that shouldn't be too hard. Yep. We'll see. Okay. Goodbye.